Welcome to Apptoto. Automate your calendar with reminders, scheduling, messaging, campaigns, and payments. As soon as you connect Apptoto, it reviews your existing appointments, extracts contact information, and merges it with your address book to then allow you to manage all of your communication for your appointments, whether it's by call, text, or email. You can schedule automated reminder messages that allow clients to confirm, cancel, or reschedule appointments anytime. Apptoto creates two-way communication, which helps to eliminate no-shows and late arrivals by up to 90%. After the appointment, you can easily automate future appointments and scheduling, as well as thank your clients for their business or ask them to give you a quick 5-star review. You can also customize the look and feel of your booking pages, along with appointment types, times, and availability. And these will all work perfectly with your existing calendar. Your clients can easily schedule or review appointments online too. And you can schedule automated campaigns to be sent out to your clients based on their schedule or contact details, like sending reminders to book follow-up appointments or even reminders to book again for your VIP contacts. And Apptoto Payments allows you to collect deposits or full payments for existing appointments, as well as new ones added through booking pages. You can also enforce cancellation policies, collect co-payments, or send refunds as needed. So join the thousands who use Apptoto to automate their existing calendar and start your free trial today.